This is Ronnie Barnes with Lagrange Toyota in Lagrange, Georgia. This is a short video of a really nice 2010 Toyota Tundra DblCab. It's a two-wheel drive. It's a 4.0 V6 with automatic transmission, work truck. This is a good-looking truck. It only has just turned 140,000 miles. Show you the tires. Has the styled steel rims, bed liner, the DblCab gives you 3 seats in the back, has the vinyl floor, vinyl interior. It's just kind of a 60-40 where these seats can raise up, give you storage in the bottom. Has double bottle holders in the doors, power windows and power door locks. Even has an adjustment here to adjust your headlights. Side curtain airbag cut off. Show you the mileage. 140,036. Has a auxiliary hookup so you can plug up a iPod or MP3 player. This has got dual zone air conditioning, CD player, satellite ready so you can add a receiver for XM. And you can also adjust your transmission and downshift and upshift your very clean truck. Appears to be a non-smoker truck. Please call me at 1-800-226-2963. Again, this is Ronnie Barnes with Lagrange Toyota in Lagrange, Georgia.